Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Today I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. So let's open settings and find display. In here we've got all our display settings. Light and dark. We can change mode of our phone. And we can schedule our dark mode. We can change brightness level and turn on or off adaptive brightness. We can change motion smoothness between adaptive and standard. We can turn on or off eye comfort shield and change screen mode between vivid and natural. Also, we can set white balance. Further, we can change font size, font style, and we can turn on bold font. Now we can change screen zoom and set full screen apps. Now we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. Also, we can turn on and off easy mode. And manage our edge panels. We can adjust our navigation bar. And turn on or off accidental touch protection and touch sensitivity. Last things are show charging information and screensaver. And that's all for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.